Now, the next thing I did, and I believe this is probably the thing that did it for me, is hopefully this will show up in the light, but I've got 550 paracord that is a blue color. And if you go online, you'll find out that what deer see the best is blue. So between these electric wires and this blue wire, the deer get so confused there's not a chance they're going to try to jump it. My upper blue wire is not even quite 8 feet tall, but I mean, there are times when I'm walking out here and I try to walk under one of those, your eyes just have a really difficult time focusing on it. And that is just enough to confuse a deer because, as everybody knows, if you've done your research here, if a deer doesn't know where it's going to land or it doesn't think it can make it, it's not even going to try. I can tell you another thing that I tried here, which I think is also kind of important. While I was waiting to put up the blue wire, I put up several of these pieces of foil with peanut butter. So I did the peanut butter training also, which most of the extension offices will tell you that the peanut butter training is just about as effective as one of these doubled up fences. So I thought, well, if we do all of that together, why wouldn't it even be more effective? I'll try to leave a link to what I use. This is all Gallagher fencing, and it was very easy to put in, just a tamping pole, and then putting it around the wires, or excuse me, putting the wire around the poles was all extremely simple. And again, I did not think it was going to be high enough from what I've seen online. So they also make these, and what these do is they come with a little tool. I'm trying to remember if I might have bought these on Amazon. Come with a little tool, put it on your drill, and you can drill them right into a tree. If you don't have a tree because you've got a field someplace, all you really need to do is buy yourself an 8-foot pole, maybe a 10-foot pole where you just drive it in. They don't even come up and test this. It's just a matter of, I think their vision is so confused that they don't know what to do. As a matter of fact, if you come down here by my pond, you can see that, I mean, it's extremely low over here. They won't even walk over here, although they come over here all the time to get water out of my pond. They will not come over to this section of fence and jump over. It's just, I think it's too much blue, it's too much white, it's too much depth perception, and they just totally give up.